Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Netflix. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Netflix gift card, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. Gift cards can be added to any plan on Netflix accounts. When you buy a Netflix gift card, you will receive a unique 11-digit code. To redeem the gift card, open the web browser and go to netflix.com/code. Here, enter your code and tap Redeem. And that's how you use Netflix gift card. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.